In a jungle ruled by fear, one tiny rabbit changed everything.
Once upon a time, in a forest far away, lived a fierce lion.
Frequently, he hunted 2 to 3 animals every day.
The animals grew worried about their lives.
They agreed that one animal would come to him daily. Each step toward the cave carried both fear and relief. Today, it was the smallest among them, yet the lion waited all the same.
One day, it was the rabbit's turn.
On his way, he saw an old well and made a plan.
The lion was furious because the rabbit was late.
I told you. It wasn't me who turned you away.
The rabbit said another lion stopped him.
A stranger on the ridge, bigger than you, his mane was darker. He stood in the path and he said your lands were his now.
The words made the great lion's blood burn.
The lion demanded to see that lion.
The rabbit led him to the old well.
He said the other lion lives here. He said the other lion lives here. The well thing's rabbit would mean found and cold.
The lion saw his own reflection.
He thought another lion was challenging him.
In anger, he leaped into the well. Lion.
Always believe. The clever rabbit saved everyone. Intelligence always wins over strength.